Welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet yarn gnome. I made this nose with an E-hook, medium worsted yarn, and then this was just medium worsted yarn with a toll paper roll here. The pattern is down below. This is pretty easy to make, great for the holidays. If this is too fast, you can place this video in slow motion. I have a slow motion video down below. You can click on that. Also, for beginners playlist for stitches, I have that down below as well. So let's get started. Okay, so first to get started, you're going to take a toilet paper roll and then measure about 1 inch and then cut it, and then this will be the brim of the hat. So then you're going to have cardboard about 5 inches or so, and the height part of it, you're going to take your yarn and wrap it around about 20 to 25 times. You might need more or less, just depending. Once you have it wrapped around, then you're going to cut right across here. Only one time, make a cut. So then you take your scissors and you're going to make a cut right here, and then that's it. Once you do that, then you'll have strands of yarn looking like this. And it doesn't have to be exactly this long. You could do this about 4.5 inches on this board, but roughly about this much. Then you're going to take, this one's already started, you're going to take this cardboard brim here, take both ends and meet them together evenly, and then take the loop, take the strands of yarn and pull it through. And you're going to do this until the entirety of this cardboard brim is covered. You can do alternate colors. Say you want to do like a red and then a green, and you can alternate between the two. So you just keep taking your strands of yarn, meet the ends together. You can do it under or over, it doesn't matter. Take the strands of yarn through that loop. It's going to look like this, and then just slide it over, make it as tautly and tight as you can. Then it's going to create all of these strands. And then do that until this whole entire brim cardboard is filled up. Now you're going to take all of the yarn and pull it through the other side. Then take your rubber band and wrap it around a couple of times. Make it sure that it is centered. And then you can cut the top off here, make it somewhat shorter. Also, you can stick a cotton ball inside, and then you're going to add the gnome beard here in a moment. Now take your white yarn and wrap it around 90 times. So I did this about 90 times wrapped around. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to take yarn and tie it around the center. Okay, once you have it tied around the center, cut this as short as you can, and then you're going to cut through this to make it for the beard. Now cut across the bottom and trim up the beard. To get started, I'm going to use an E-hook. If that's too small, you can use an F-hook. I'm going to do a chain 2, and then I'm going to work 4 single crochet in the first chain. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, continue for 4 single crochet, and then slip stitch. And I had to do a voiceover on this part because my ice machine was being really loud in the background. Now you're going to insert your hook, pull your yarn through, and then pull through. And then you're going to do a single crochet and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So work the 2 increase, and then work 1 single crochet, and then work in the next stitch 2 single crochet. And then you will not slip stitch in this, you'll work in continual rounds. And now you're going to work 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches twice. So go ahead and work the 1 single crochet around 6 times for a total of 2 rounds. Now you're going to work 2 single crochet together, so insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then insert your hook in the next stitch and grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You're going to do that 2 more times, and then your nose will be complete. You can sew this nose on, or you can hot glue gun it on right below the brim of the hat. Now I'm going to show you how to create a loop for the ornament so you can attach it to the tree. So just go ahead and take your yarn and secure it at the very bottom so you can't see it, but just like on the edge there. And then you can take your yarn and pull it through and create a loop through the center. And then once you have the size that you prefer, then you can take it down to the bottom and secure it with a little bit of weaving in and out. Now take your hot glue gun and take it around the cotton ball area and then attach the beard and secure it on with the hot glue. Hold it in place so it will stick. You can attach the nose with your yarn needle or a hot glue gun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this crochet yarn gnome. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.